Hello there and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about another DePIN airdrop which is called Despeed Airdrop. It's another DePIN token, the same way with Grass, the same way with NoPay, Dawn, Functor, etc. Name them, they are all in the same in terms of DePIN ecosystem. So I'm going to show you how you can be able to do it on both your PC if you're using a laptop the same way I'm using on this video, or how you can also be able to do it using your mobile device. I'll put the video link in the description as well as the comments so that you can be able to check it out if you are not using your phone, or if you are using a PC or you want to mine with both. I also do that too. So without further ado, this is DePIN Speed Airdrop, a DePIN ecosystem similar to Grass, like I said earlier, similar to NodePay and the likes. GIA, I'm actually mining them, if you can be able to see them on top of my extension bar here on my Chrome browser. So this is basically the whole thing. Then you just have to do every single thing related to it in order to just keep your node ongoing. So what I also recommend, a side note, is to be able to, even if you are sleeping, I mine with my phone as well as my laptop. Whenever my laptop is on, maybe I want to sleep or I've stopped work during the whole day, I switch up my phone and turn on my mobile internet connection on. Even if I'm sleeping, it can still be mining for me when I wake up the following day. So that's how I do it and accumulate more points. It's like a strategy, and I also want to tell you in this video so that you can be able to adopt it and use it for all your DePIN airdrops that you are mining. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to do is to click the link in the description to be able to take you to the Chrome extension here. You can be able to use it. I'm using my Chrome browser since this is a PC, but the other video for how to use it on the phone is also in the description, so you can be able to check it out at your convenience. So once you have done it, you have to first select and add it to your Chrome extension. Then come to the Chrome bar, which is right here, and make sure that it is pinned on your Chrome extension. It will be easier for you whenever you want to mine it, and just click on it and it will just show up. The same way I do for my Dawn airdrop, the same way I do for my NodePay, and every other airdrop, that GIA, etc, Toggle, etc that I do. So once you have done it and you have added it into your Chrome browser, the next thing is to be able to click the link in the description for someone who is signing up newly. So I'm just going to run you through, okay, on how you can be able to do such. Invite code showing on the screen for you to be able to sign up, okay, and once you are done with that, you can be able to click on read and agree terms and conditions, as well as do the captcha. Once you have signed up, a verification email, as you are seeing on the screen, will be able to be sent to you. Then you just need to confirm it and your account will be verified. Then the next thing is to relog in again, okay. What I normally do whenever this time reaches, the next time to relog in, you don't relog in from the Chrome browser, okay. You don't relog in from the Chrome browser, relog in from the Chrome extension, as you can see on top here, from the Chrome extension. So what I do is to relog in there, not on the Chrome browser, and it will open another extension for me so that I can be able to use again every single thing done from the extension, not on the Chrome browser or the normal browser alone. So I'll just do my basic login again. Once you relog in again, and it will open for you, this is the entire dashboard that you need to be able to see. So I'm going to walk you through step by step every single thing that is related to this dashboard, and what are the key things that you need to do first. So when you move over or hover over to your dashboard, the first thing that you're going to see is your daily claims as well as your daily quests, okay. So firstly, is the same interface similar to NodePay. If you are using NodePay in terms on the PC, you find that almost the same thing. So you just have to claim your daily claim, that's your daily 100 tokens. I've claimed mine, as you are seeing right here, then, which is the most important, and this is my dashboard, as well as my earning, my speed test nets, as well as the quality of my upload and download speed. Then the next thing is for me to be able to use my referral link, so you can be able to copy your referrals and send out to your friends or post it on social media alongside. Then the next will be on your daily quests. As you can see right here, the first thing is your daily claim, which you're expected to do every single day. The next is your daily streak. That's the number of times that you have been active consistently without breaking, okay. After that is your referral quest, which is right here. The number of tokens that you can be able to, or deep sea tokens that you can be able to get per referral, as well as the social tax. Now, this is the most important that you need to be able to do. There are almost 8 social quests that you need to be able to verify as well as participate in. The first one is to connect your Discord as well as join their Discord, connecting your X account as well as follow their X, then connecting your Telegram as well as joining their Telegram while following them on X, as well as retweeting their launch tweets. Every single thing here will give you nothing less than 1,000 tokens, and some of them more than that. Okay, so just make sure that you connect your accounts and do it. I've already shown how you can be able to create a Discord account, which is basically very easy. The same way you open other social media accounts, just like Discord, Instagram, Telegram, etc. It's a social media app that you can be able to log in. There is no form of invite or referrals. They just head over to discord.com. I'll put the link also in the description too for you to be able to log in. Then that is what you need to be able to do. Then being active on this page and allowing your node to continue mining every single day. Then you can be able to check your transaction history, as you are seeing right here. This is my internet speed as well as every single thing related to mine. After that, you can be able to check your earnings section, every single thing related to here, the number of tokens that you are getting from this speed test. Mind you that this thing started newly, it's not too far, just maybe like last week or so, and you can be able to hop in. Since we have been mining NodePay, Dawn is still ongoing, every other DePIN airdrop is ongoing, and if you can be able to hop on it now and stay consistent. I made some couple of bucks from NodePay, not much, but at least I tried, and it's still something, okay, freely without anything. Then this time around, I'm taking all my airdrops serious, especially these DePIN airdrops and testnets. Less on Telegram because I've mined Telegram for quite some time, but every other thing here is just self-explanatory so that you can be able to know how to do it. Make sure you do your quest and use the link in the description for you to be able to sign up. That's every single thing related to Despeed Airdrop. My name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, and join the Telegram channel, link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.